So, NASDAQ sets record, but stocks mostly fall. So, it is Tuesday, December 1st. It is day one of the December day trading challenge. So, welcome. My name's Racky Ryan. You can call me that. We are on the road to Racks, and we are about to start the December day trading challenge. I'm not a big fan of day trading. Most people that day trade in the long run lose money. Another reason why I don't like day trading is because, for example, let's look at the stock market this year. Dow Jones is up 6% year to date, NASDAQ's up 35%, and the S&P 500 is up 13%. Now, given the fact that we've been in a COVID pandemic for 9 months, shut down, 50 million Americans unemployed, we've required multiple stimuluses, a lot of PPP funding, and then a direct stimulus to actual individuals of $1,200 plus extra money for family. I mean, at what point would you have ever thought the market's going to be up today? I mean, the market seems so disconnected from reality that not a lot of people can explain it. But it actually does make sense in some regards, and then in some regards it doesn't. And that's what makes the market the market. There's always value. That's where I come in. I'm a value investor. We're always searching for value. There's things that are overvalued, you can short them. There's things that are undervalued, you can buy them long. At the end of the day, it's all about valuation. Value, value, value. A stock is a piece of a business. A stock is not some symbol that's just flashing on the screen that is just saying, pick me, gamble. But here we are. What can I say? Everyone's doing it. And I figured, I don't know, why not? Let's finish out this year. Let's see what we can do. So, we got $5,000 that we're going to start with. We have no idea whether that's going to go up or down. I hope it goes up. My goal is to make about $4,000 off of this. That's about monthly expenses. So if I could cover my monthly expenses this month, then I could essentially be a day trader full time. Just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. Futures point to higher open.
That is down after strong numbers.
Market opens in 4 minutes and 40 seconds. A little bit of research here. We found that the highest bought option today is a Canadian weed company called Sundial Technologies. This is research that I should have done last night, but part of the challenge was no prior research. You walk in on December 1st with X amount of money and go. The U.S. House of Representatives will vote on landmark cannabis legislation this week. Specifically, the Marijuana Opportunity Reinvestment and Expungement Act is on the table. If passed, the MORE Act would end the federal ban on cannabis. That would be quite a curveball, right? That'd be very 2020. Do we chase this? Should we get on Sundial? What's going on here? I'm a bit frozen right now. It's like I feel forced to make something happen. I don't like this feeling. Yeah, we're gonna ride this cannabis push today, and it seems like that could be a play for day trading. I don't know. I mean, is that what you guys do? You read an article and you're like, oh, I'm gonna trade because the House is gonna meet and they might legalize weed. I don't know. That seems like a reason to trade. So let's do this. So we're gonna buy 2,767 shares of KSHB at 0.87. The order is in. Buy. Done. What up, y'all? This is Rotarax. A little recap of day one day trading. So it didn't go very well. We lost $351 on the day. 6%. So we bought into these weed stocks and we bought some options on weed plays. Still own, I guess it's a swing trade, not really a day trade, because I still own the shares of the stock because I didn't want to just take the loss. And I still own the call options, which expire on December 18th for TLRY. 2,700 or so is still cash. So we'll definitely splash that around. I'm not too worried about the loss. I expected to lose. Day trading, this is what happens when you day trade. So if you like this video, please crush that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Who doesn't want to say that they were one of the early subscribers on the road to Rack?